It's very early in the morning, 5:30, at the line of control between India and Pakistan. And I have a cup of my tea. The checkpost lights has been gone. As you can see, I still see two lights at the top of the mountain. The sun is coming from Indian side. Today is 15 August, Independence Day of India. Congratulations. Pakistan has celebrated it yesterday. Actually, there is no fence on the Pakistan side, on the river, but there is on the Indian side. Actually, these checkposts are not simple checkposts. I think they have a very advanced electromagnetic fields which were